And good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your host PINKMAN, and I welcome you to this little ride on a mountain racetrack here in Chiang Mai, Thailand. And today we're gonna choose the motorbike, and as I said, we are in Thailand. I'm moving the map here to Chiang Mai, and we're gonna drive to the mountains here on the left hand side in DOI SUTHEP. And let's go! And we have a little bit a different view here. I have the camera mounted in the front. Usually I mount it in the back or on the helmet. And so today we're gonna have a little bit a different view. So you see here the front of my motorbike. And if you watch back, if you turn 180 degrees, well, you see me on the motorbike. So this road is really the favorite road of mine here. It's really close to my home, just about 10 minutes, and I get onto this road. It leads around the mountain DOI SUTHEP. So when you are on the south side of Chiang Mai, on the left hand side there is a street going up, and if you follow this street, it leads around the mountain and you come out on the top of the mountain, not on the top of the mountain but on the north side, and you are then on the north side of the Chiang Mai city. And this track here, as you see on the left hand side, is also really famous for cyclers. So every time in the morning when I drive here, I actually drive this street quite often, and I see a lot of cyclers, and there are a lot of coffees and hotels also on this road. So it's really nice when you're done cycling, or as I do, driving around with a motorbike, to get to a coffee and enjoy the beautiful morning sun here in Thailand. Here in the front you see two minivans, and this shows you probably also that there are tourist attractions. So usually the tourists, they come in groups and gather together in those minivans, and they transport them to the attraction. So there are a lot of things to do here. They have ATV driving, motorbike driving, and like zip lines, if you know what it is. And yeah, quite many Chinese customers lately coming here to Chiang Mai. gonna pass this van, and we have a free road in front of us, and we're gonna enjoy here driving left and right. It's really nice with the curves here, and also really good. The condition of the street is fairly good. Yeah, for me always really the best time going out is in the morning. We have very good temperature, not too hot, not too cold, so I always enjoy riding or flying with the paramotor in the morning usually. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get a coffee now. Stopping the video here, and I hope you enjoyed it. If so, just hit the like button and the subscribe button. If you have any questions about the equipment I'm using or how I'm doing the videos, just leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye bye.